I'm going to talk about our coin pattern. Let's look at weather warning. There is no weather warning, so let's look at precipitation pressure patterns starting from solid pressure automatically. So 8 p.m. There is some pressure. 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. July the 13th, 1016, 1012, and 1000 and nothing millibars of pressure. Let's go to 8 p.m. July the 14th. There is something. So zoom into Southern Ontario. So 1012, 1008 millibars of pressure, 1004 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is July the 15th. There is something. 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 8 p.m. July the 16th. So 1012 millibars of pressure. So let's look at precipitation patterns. So lines that obey water temperatures in honor is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. 11 a.m. There is something. Lines that obey water temperatures in honor is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's look at total precipitation. So line says 2 millimeters, hope say 2 millimeters, water 1 millimeters, 4 hours 1 millimeters, honor is 9 millimeters, 0.9. Let's look at air temperature patterns. So, Washington 20 degrees, Wales 21 degrees, Honolulu 20 degrees, Collingwood 21 degrees, South Bay 22 degrees, Sunny Breeze 22 degrees, Bombay 23 degrees, and last gonna be 19 degrees. Everywhere now about 70 degrees, Hamilton local 90 degrees, that's the warmest, coldest, and 20 degrees. Brampton 90 degrees, Tofu 90 degrees, Scarborough 90 degrees, Darlington 90 degrees, doesn't need 20, 90 degrees, Newmarket 80 degrees, Orange 90 degrees. Rooks was 90 degrees, Sasha 90 degrees, Peterborough 90 degrees, Coburg 20 degrees, Melbourne 90 degrees, Georgia is going to be 20.5 degrees, Barrie is going to be 18.5 degrees, Bablas is 80.5 degrees, Salala is going to get some 20 degrees, so let's look at Obes, it's going to be 20 degrees, Line says going to get some 22 degrees, so let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. There is something. Port Elton, 24 degrees, Hanover, 26 degrees, Warta, 28 degrees, Hopesy, 27 degrees, Nineside, 27 degrees, Lingwood, 28 degrees, Salamis, 25 degrees, Palm Beach, gonna get some 27 degrees, 25 degrees in Thunder Beach, Windland's gonna get some 28 degrees, everywhere now about 31 degrees, Amundsen, Ocals, 29 degrees, Ocals gonna be 28 degrees, that's so cold as warm as 29. This is like 28 degrees Branch, 32 degrees Tofu, 32 degrees Scarborough, 30 degrees Darrington, 28 degrees Newmarket, Orange, 21 degrees Uxbridge, 31 degrees Sasha, 28 degrees Peterborough, 30 degrees Belleville, 24 degrees Belleville, 27 degrees Georgina's gonna get some 30 degrees, Betty's gonna get some 31 degrees, Babylon's 31 degrees, Adela's gonna get some 29 degrees. So let's go to the next tower, which is 7 a.m. There is something. So Port Olsen onwards gonna be 23 degrees. Washington D2 23 degrees, including Olsen line set. Collingwood 25 degrees. Bombay, South Bay 25 degrees. Sunny Beach is going to be 24 degrees. Atlanta 25 degrees. Everywhere now about 24.5 degrees. Hamilton Oakland 24. Bournemouth is gonna be 25. Mississauga 25. Brampton 25, Stoffel 24, Scarborough 24, Darlington 24, Newmarket 24, Orangeville 24, Oaksville 24, Oshawa 24, Peterborough 24, Coburg 22, Belleville 23, Georgia 25, Bablas 25, Barrie 24, Dallala 24. Let's go to next tower, which is 3 p.m. July the 14th, 13, 14. So Watson in the 5 degrees. That's White 25, 29 degrees White and 25 degrees for us. And Honda is going to be 26.5 degrees. Hope is going to get some 27 lines. So it's going to be 27 degrees. So everywhere now about 33.5 degrees. I'm still go 32 degrees. That's so cold as warm. It's going to be 34 degrees. This is like 34 degrees. That's 34 degrees. Brand 37 is Stoffel 37. Scarborough 36. Newmarket Orange 35, Wixford 26, Sasha 34, Asha Peterborough 34, Coburg 27, Belleville 22. Georgia turning 29 degrees, Betty's gonna get some 34 degrees, Bablas is gonna be 25 degrees, 24. Palm Beach 27 degrees, Solomon Beach 26 degrees, Sunny Beach gonna get some 25 degrees, and let's go to get some 29 degrees, 30 degrees. So let's go to Collingwood, 32 degrees. So let's go to next tab, which is 7 a.m. July the 15th. So, Brighton 21 degrees, Boyles 21 degrees, Anna 21 degrees, Obsay line says 22.5 degrees. Collingwood 22 degrees, Palm Beach 20 degrees south on the beach, 20 degrees south on the beach, 20 degrees inland, going to be 21 degrees. So everywhere now about 26 degrees. Hamilton locals 25 degrees. Locals coming 25 degrees. Saga 25, Brampton 25, so 26. Scarborough 24 degrees. Newmarket, Orange 22 degrees. Hookswest 21. 22 degrees in that's 23 degrees in Oshawa, Peterborough 21, Coburg 22, Balboa 23 degrees, Georgina's gonna get some 22 degrees, Bablas 22, Betty's 20 degrees, Alala 20 degrees. So let's go to 3 p.m. July the 15th. So Boy, also 24 degrees, Anima is gonna be 26 degrees, Watch 28 degrees, Opsay is gonna get some 28, Lineside 28 degrees, Colorado 27 degrees. Palm Beach 25 degrees, Solid Bay is going to be 24 degrees, Sunday Beach is going to get some 22 degrees. Last going to be 28 degrees, 27 degrees. So everywhere now was 32 degrees. Hamilton locals 31 degrees. Locals going to be 31 degrees. Branson 33 degrees. Dover 31 degrees. Scarborough is going to be 31 degrees. Donington 31 degrees. Newmarket, Orangewood 30 degrees. Hooksville 29. Oshawa 31. Peterborough 30. Coburg 29, Balboa 31 degrees, Georgia is going to get sun 30, boom 27 degrees. Eddie's going to get some 28 degrees, Bablas is going to get some 29 degrees, Alala's 28 degrees. So let's go to 7 a.m. 8 a.m. Days on things like 16. So inside over is 20 degrees. White's at 20 degrees, boy. Also, Nana was 20 degrees. Collingwood 21 degrees. Palm Beach got to get some 21 degrees. Danny Beach got to get some 21 degrees. Solomon 22. And last 22. Everywhere now about 24.5 degrees. Hamilton Oakland 22 degrees. It's cold as warm as 24 degrees. This is Brampton 24 degrees. Dover 22. Scarborough 23. Dartmouth 24. Newmarket, Orangeville 21 degrees. Hooksville 21 degrees. Oshawa 23 degrees. Peterborough 22. Coburg 22. Belvoir 22. Virginia, Babylon 22, Berry 22, Alala 22. So let's go to 2 p.m. So let's go to 2 p.m. So boy, it's 20 degrees. Hana was gonna be 22.5, Warton 23, Hopesay 23, Lineside 23, Collingwood 26, Sotheby's 23, Bell, Thunder Beach 23. Saxon 21 degrees in Thunder Beach, Sotheby's 22 degrees, Palm Beach, good to get some 23 degrees, and last good to get some 24 degrees. Everywhere now was 28 degrees. So Hamilton Oakle 38 degrees. Oakle also. Brampton 30 degrees. Dover 29. And Scarborough 29. Dartmouth 29 degrees. Market also 28. Express 27. Oshawa 29. Peterborough 27. Coburg 25. Belvoir 30 degrees. Georgia 25. Paris 25. Babylon is going to be 26 degrees. Alaska to get some 26 degrees. So this is the end of the video. This is the end of the video. So